Hi there, and welcome back. My name is Kimmy. We are here with NOW365, as we call it, which is where we dive into the Microsoft Admin Center and pull out an update that is helpful for everyone. Microsoft does a ton of updates throughout the week, mainly Tuesdays and Thursdays, kind of trickling through the week, but there's a lot going on. So we want to come to you very quickly, very short and sweet, and get to the point and just let you know what we think is important. So this week we find, taking some time for yourself and really focusing on what matters the most outside of work is important for you to go ahead and perform the best that you can. So our update today is around quiet time setting in Viva, Teams, and Outlook. If you do not know about Viva Insights, please go ahead and take a look into that. We can dive into that in another meeting or video. But today is about quiet time settings. So this is to help create better boundaries and protect personal time. Viva Insights will offer the ability to configure quiet time to silence notifications from Outlook and Teams mobile applications outside of working hours. Users will receive personalized insight through the Viva Insight app in Teams and will be able to set quiet time directly from Teams mobile and Outlook mobile applications. So there are a little bit of different organizational effects. So I'm just going to name a few here. There is about 6 bullet points. But it's really to protect that quiet time. So there is a protect time tab in the Viva Insights. So go in there. You can go ahead and modify whatever you want it to say, what times and things like that. The Viva Insights setting page of the app and Teams will be updated to provide users with the option to configure that portion. Users of Outlook will be able to configure quiet time directly from the mobile application, and that is the same through the Teams app. Users who are enrolled in Global Quiet Time will have Outlook mobile and Teams mobile notifications silenced during their configured time. There's no additional action to make this happen. Really just inform your team members, your friends and family, even that work, that this is a feature that they can use. So definitely go ahead, look into Viva Insights. You can see how your day is really being managed from really a second set of eyes. Me personally, I've learned a lot through Viva Insights, and I've even created focused work times in my calendar to protect times. So I'm not in meetings all day, I don't want to say not getting anything done, but sometimes that happens where you can have up to 7 meetings, and the ability to finish your work that you wanted to get finished that day becomes impossible, stressful. It pours over into your personal life. So definitely something that you want to take a hold of. So that is it. That is our update. We are Capital Presence. We are known for the ability to hashtag work wherever. We enable companies to become remote and even manage their processes a little bit easier. So if you're finding that your processes are very manual, time consuming, and there has to be a better way, definitely reach out to us. There are things that should not be manual, but there are also things that should be to keep the human touch. So please remember that. We are here as Microsoft experts to really dive in, show you how to use the tools, but also how to improve how your company functions. Some things do not need to be manual, like I said, but it's definitely important to make sure that you're keeping that human connection with your clients and they're not sitting on a call queue waiting for someone to, answer the phone, or they get an automated email back quickly. Those types of things, depending on the size of your business, there's workarounds. So definitely reach out to us. We are known for that. Please check us out on all social media platforms, as well as going to our website, capitalpresence.com. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and happy Monday. Thank you, guys.